We have built a movie recommendation system using Streamlit, and on the left hand side, we can see a navigation bar which is having two options to either get a personalized movie recommendation system or you can directly browse the top rated movies. So, here for the user one, we are doing the user base, we have selected the user based collaborative filter model. So, this model basically returns the movies to the user one which are actually liked by the users which are similar to the user one. So it is basically done by using user to user similarities. Now if I'm changing the user to user 4, and I'm also going to change my model to item based collaborative filter model, so this is going to return me the movies which are similar to the movie to movie similarities. So this model returns the movies based on movie to movie similarities. That is, movies which are preferred by the user for inside the data set as per the data set values. So it is going to list all the movies which are preferred by the user for. Next, if I'm selecting another user ID, and if I am now I'm going to change my model to the SVD model, which is a singular vector decomposition value model. So if I'm taking another user, so the SVD model, so singular vector decomposition model basically returns you or recommends you the movies or recommends this user 6 the movies which are not seen by the user 6. So the movies which are, it is going to recommend the or suggest the user 6 the movies which are not yet seen by the users, but based on the calculated metric based on the calculations of matrix multiplication that are performed by this model. So this is considering both the negative as well as positive values for the matrix multiplication, and based on that the highest top rated movies are going to be recommended to that user 6. Now again I'm going to change the user to user 7, and if I'm selecting the next model, which is the NMF, that is the non negative matrix factorization model, this is going to also recommend the movies which are not seen by the user 7 or suggest the movies which are not seen by the user 7, but based on the predictions which are made using the matrix multiplication by considering only non-negative values. So here there is a limitation is that it doesn't consider all the negative values, it only considers the positive values. So due to this reason, we can see that the SVD model's accuracy is more than the NMF model's accuracy for movie prediction, movie recommendations. Now, yeah, so we can. So this is the movie. These are the movies which we the NMF has listed based on the NMF classification. Um, Now we can select the next model, which is the content-based filtered model. So in content-based filtering model, here the user can directly enter the title of the movies, and based on the movies to movies similarity, again, just like the item-based classification, collaborative filtering, we are getting the movies which are similar to the movie title that we are entering in the title bar. So here the Toy Story, I have entered the Toy Story. So it is going to list me the 12 different movies which are similar to the Toy Story over here. Now, while we enter the movie title over here, we have to be careful that we enter the entire movie title. Suppose if we do not enter the correct movie title, and if you're entering something which is actually not inside the data set. So for example, in this case, I have entered a movie name, but it's not the complete movie name, not the complete movie name with its year of release. So you can see in that case, it comes as no recommendations found. So instead, you have to make sure that you're entering the entire movie name as it is. Otherwise, the model will not give you the recommendations properly. So here I can see if I'm typing my entire movie name as Willy Wonka and Chocolate Factory released at 1971. So if I'm writing the entire movie name, my model is able to predict the movies, give my 12 movie recommendations here, which are similar to Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, as you can see here. So apart from this personalized movie recommendation system, the user can actually even directly browse the top rated movies. So here, if you select the browse the top rated movies, the model is directly able to list out all the movies of the highest rating, that is around 5 or 4.8, 4.9, 4.7. So the highest rated movies with the maximum ratings are going to be listed in the top rated movies directly. So our model is directly able to predict give the both the personalized recommendations for the movie, as well as enable the user to browse the top rated movies successfully. So this is how the model works. Thank you.